Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just a week ago on May 27th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $4.83, and my main assumption was that we completed all 5 waves to the upside and we were forming the ABC retracement, and my main assumption was that we have to have at least one more leg to the downside that potentially might hit about $4.5 mark, from which we have more than 75% probability to see the trend reverse. And here is the actual price action. Here was the point when I made my previous video, and right after I did it, we have this movement to the upside that is completely opposite to my prediction. And in my technical analysis, I will show you where and why I was wrong, and I have to say that I still stand on my position. As long as we didn't break some crucial levels, I still stand on my position that we might have another leg to the downside, and I will explain you my thoughts. But guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, let's take a look on its price action again. I have to say that my assumption was correct to this point, and I predicted this movement to the downside. But for now, I have some doubts about this movement, and let me explain why I have it. First of all, we have to see a 3 or 5 wave structure in our A wave of retracement, strictly 3 waves in our B wave, and strictly 5 waves in our C wave. That is why, from this point, my assumption was that we have to have one more leg to the downside. But guys, this 3-3-3 structure is nothing else but an A wave on a bigger scale. And in this case, we might have this type of price action. And in just several minutes in my technical analysis, I will explain you what crucial levels do we have. But for now, let's take a look on its fundamentals. Why this asset went higher and it gained during just several sessions. Let me show you. It gained about 17% to its value. Let me show you this. If you take a look on the list of news that is directly related to NIO, you can see that all of them are very bullish, and we have several news that are extremely bullish. First of all, the delivery numbers. And as you can see, on June the 1st, cnvpost.com published this article. NIO delivers record to 20,544 cars in May. And let me quote you the subtitle. In the January-May period, NIO delivered 66,217 vehicles, up 50.99% year-on-year, with this SUV contributing 58.58%. And let me show you that their previous record was set in July of last year, and it was about 20,462 vehicles delivered in July of 2023, compared to 20,544 vehicles in May of this year. It is not the biggest difference in between these two numbers, but nevertheless, it is their record. And let me show you that both SUVs and sedans added to this record quite substantial number of vehicles. And on top of that, guys, we have a lot of bullish news. If you read all of them, for example, NIO showcases all models at Shenzhen Auto Show, says 4th generation swap station to go live on June 13th. And it is another step towards the efficiency of their battery as a swap system. On top of that, let me show you this. NIO's power unit secures first external investment of $207 million. And this is another sign of their bullishness, because with this external investment of their battery-as-a-service system, they can drastically reduce their capital expenditures, and this will lead to a higher return on investments. And definitely it is another good sign, and all these good signs lead to this quite substantial movement to the upside. But for now, we are approaching to the earnings report date, and let me remind you that it is set on June the 6th, and we have just 2 days left till it happens. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, where we are now. For now, I think we have this type of breakdown, and we were in the A wave, in the 3 waves of the A wave. And then we were in the B wave, and for now we are forming the C wave. But take a look right here. We hit the 0.5 level, it is the fib retracement level, it is the first range of accumulation for algorithms. And you can use this tool by pulling it from swing low to swing high. Take a look on 50% probability, and the price target for these algorithms will be negative 0.236, and it is $6.65. So technically we have during this movement, we have a lot of algorithms who added their long position with this price target. But on the other hand, take a look right here. This is our previous swing high, this is our previous swing low. And if I pull the fib retracement tool from this top to this bottom, take a look what level did we hit just recently. It is the golden pocket range, and we have a very good reaction out of this. And this is another set of algorithms who added their short position, and their price target is following. Let me delete this tool, I don't need it so far. If I pull the fib extension tool from this top to this bottom and project it to this top, we can see that the most probable level of extension in the C wave compared to the length of the A wave is this one. 1-to-1 extension at the price point of $4.42. But also we have 0.786 fib retracement level that has a very strong confluence with the golden pocket range from the bottom to the top. And this is another potential range where we might land. But guys, the invalidation point for this breakdown will be breakout above the B wave, and we have to see much higher volume, and we have to see the motive wave to the upside, because B wave shouldn't have 5-wave structure, and the major invalidation point will be definitely breakout above this range with the confirmation of volume. Otherwise, I still stand on my position that we have to land a little bit lower, and potentially we might hover for quite some time around 5.3, 5.1, $5.6. But then, at the time of this earnings report is published, we might have a trend reversal, and we might start to go lower to complete the C wave. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.